So I've got this tree job to go take a look at. I haven't seen what this tree's gonna look like, so I'm gonna throw most of my gear in here. So we'll go take a look and see what he's got going on and see if we can tackle it for him. One of my problems is I have a tendency to think that I can still do tree work the way I used to. And I was 10 years younger and 35, 40 pounds lighter and in a heck of a lot better shape. What I understand is down this easement here, concerned that a tree on his property is leaning over into the property line, which I don't see. Well, I ended up going up and finding this other tree that's an issue, and it's a lot easier of a job than I anticipated, which is a good thing. So what we've got going is this tree right back there. There's this little cedar with that ladder on it. You see it right there? We're gonna go take the top out of that thing and bring it down and leave about 6 feet sticking off the ground. Let's go take a look at it. So they've been kind of developing this area back in here. Very nice landscaping and all the associated things, but they've got their woodshed here. They've got a sort of pergola thing with some sort of fruit tree or some kind of tree here. And we've got this cedar that died. So he went up in there and took all the branches off with the little chainsaw and left the ladder up there, but the top is just high enough to where he's uncomfortable with it, so we're going to take a look at taking the top out of that thing. Well, I haven't put this stuff on in quite a while, but let's go get the top taken out of this thing. Well, this is going to wrap this one up. It was pretty straightforward. Nice little tree to take care of. Get the top out of it. They're going to go ahead and put a big, huge, large birdhouse on the top of that later on, and it'll be there for many years to come. But taking the top out of it the way we did prevented it from hitting a woodshed or this pergola with some sort of fruit tree they've got going on. So we got her taken down. The limbs are all piled up, ready to burn, and we turn the rest into rounds so he can throw them on the fire. I hope you got something out of it. I didn't do any rope work, but it was a little easier than I thought it was going to be, so it turned out well. Till next time, thanks for watching.